Good morning and welcome back to Marcus's Morning Minute. Today we're going to be talking about doing something that you know is going to be hard just because you want to see the growth. Yesterday, I went for a run with one of my friends and she was so much faster than me. We went 3 miles and I was dragging big time. But we hit that 3 miles and we started that cool down. And when we were walking back, we were just chit-chatting and a lady saw me and I looked like I might have passed out in a minute. But the lady said to me, that looks like a man that did just put in some hard work. And I thought to myself, and I was like, I do look kind of dumb. I do look really tired and I'm just walking home. But it did mean a lot because that shows, I did put in as much effort as I could and I know that's going to help me grow. And even if it's athletically or academically, doing something that's way out of your comfort zone, joining a new team, joining a research product, reaching out to people that you don't know just to make those connections is going to help you become a better individual, both personally and professionally. So I hope today you take that leap out of your comfort zone and do at least one activity that helps. Thanks for tuning in to Marcus's Morning Minute. Hope to see you tomorrow.